Hey guys, I'm Benny from the block and I'm here to give you some tips and tricks for updating the look of your bedroom. Ripping up carpet can be a daunting task. Give your local Kennards hire branch a call and they can talk you through some options. Most likely it's going to be a floor stripper or a hammer on a trolley. Use a plasterboard sander, but keep in mind it's going to be a messy task. It's really important that you have it hooked up to a strong industrial vacuum cleaner and that you're wearing a dust mask at all times. Use a wallpaper steamer. This will do the job really well at getting that old ugly wallpaper off your walls. Use the perforator that comes with it to let the steam get behind the paper. And if you've got any questions, ask the team at your local Kennards hire branch. So use a circular saw, a belt sander and a nail gun, and that'll let you really update that feature wall that you've been meaning to do. Grab some nice timber from your local supplier and you can really make it stand out. Thanks for watching this week's video on updating your bedroom, and for any more tips and tricks or questions, contact your local Kennards hire branch.